Yep, I want to show you how to create this effect in FL Studio. The effect there, I did it with gross beat, the beat, the bass, and the piano sound. So we just have them there. And I dropped gross beat on the drums. You can automate the on and off button, but there's a reason why I don't automate the on and off button. So preset, turntable. You can try out other preset there, and I'll use backspin. So let's see what happens when I do that. So that's the sound. It's on the drums, so you can just switch off and on there. But when I switch it on and off, I hear click sound when I was working on the track. Let me just try it here. Okay, I'm not hearing any click sound, but what I did, I automated this volume knob here. Let me automate it on and off. Let's hear it first. Create automation clip. I'll come to my automation clip here. Okay, so come up. So the gross beat will be on for this part, then it will come off at this point here. So let's hear it. I can hear the snap there. But the gross beat is not doing anything. Maybe I should take it further so that we hear something. Okay, let me take it back a little. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. So I automated the on and off there, and it's nice. But let me just bring another gross beat. Okay, that's gross beat. This one, do the same thing. Go to preset and bring up turntable, backspin. Let's use the same, or let's use another one. Backspin start. Okay, let's have that. Let's hear what it does. Okay, it's nice. I'm just going to automate the volume here. Right click, go to create automation clip. Right here. So at the beginning, all the way up, and put it all the way down here. It's nice. It's great. Okay, you can do this on the piano sound. We have one here. So you just do the automation and see what you come up with. Let me do fade for the beats. Okay, the top one is for the volume. Let me do something like this and see what happens here. It's just a combination of the two effects of both the beat and that DJ spin, DJ stuff. So let's hear it again. Yeah. Very nice mix. Okay, you can also do this on your master track. You can do this on anything. On your master track, you can have it here. Maybe I'll do a video on this. If you want me to do a video on this gross beat, let me know in the comment section. Let's go to stutter and use anyone. Use this one here. Cool. Just nice effect on your master. Oh man. And you can automate this, bring it maybe before the hook, you just bring it up. You can be creative with this. Let's try this on the piano, the stutter. Let me see. Stutter preset. Stutter, let's hear it. Let's try another one. Maybe this or this. So it's nice. You can use it on vocals or anything. So like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm at Alloneprostudio. That's it.